The KKmoon 50 watt 110 volt hot stapler. Check out these instructions. Instruction for use. Can't really tell what it is. All I see is hot stapler. Everything else is in Chinese. Made in China product. So today's video is going to be a review of this. I'm going to try and fix my headlight with it. Comes with some wire mesh. I guess so that you can melt this hot glue stick on top of to reinforce the plastic. Comes with a whole bunch of different types of staples, different designs, I guess, for more strength, less strength, whatever. So you got that there, this one here. I don't know how well you can see all of this stuff. Got this type here. Looks like a wavy M. Oh no. Okay. Got this little bad boy here. Yeah, there you go. It says it comes with 50 of each. Looks to be about 50. It also comes with this. I guess this is for melting plastic. Maybe melting this stuff on top of the mesh, and you know, getting it all nice and smooth in there. This is the actual gun itself. Get that out of the way. It's a pretty bad boy. It's heavy. Got one button here. I guess that's to hold it to turn on. Don't know. We'll figure it out because the instructions are in Chinese. But yeah. So the only thing I don't like is it doesn't have the 3-prong ground, but we'll work with it. Alright, so let's plug it in and see what happens. Alright, so I'm going to try and fix this here. These Japanese one-piece headlights. Really hard to find. Well, not so much hard to find, but really expensive. So instead of going out and buying a whole nother set, because it's really hard to find just one, these tabs broke off here. So I'm going to try and use this hot stapler to put the tabs back in. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'm going to go with the little wavy looking one here. Try this one. So apparently, according to all the videos I see on Facebook, you just push these in like this. Alright, so the light's on. I'm guessing that means that it has power, but once you hit the button, the light goes off. So, oh yeah, I can already see it smoking just by holding the button. I'm just continuing to hold it. Oh, that melted really good. I didn't put too much pressure in it. Oh. Okay, so still very wet. Just from melting. Alright. Let's try another one. I'm gonna try this one now. I'm gonna put it like right here. See if I can get it off to the side. It's kind of a hard angle to get to. Yep, holding the button down. See it turn purple. Melt it on in there. Alright. Now I probably will most likely come back with like a 2-part epoxy on top of this just to double the strength. You can see where it kind of came from underneath. So I pushed a little too hard, and then here it just started to come through, but I stopped it in time. Just going across the brake there. That's nice and strong. I don't want to pull it on too much though, but I'm gonna add another one. Let's see. I've been seeing a lot of commercials on Facebook, ads, commercials, I don't know, of this thing, and I figured it would be a perfect time for me to try it and also try and fix my stuff at the same time. Alright, now I'm gonna try that M, maybe. Let me see if I can get it in the spot I want it. Alright. Bend it a little bit. Oh. Okay, so these things can't bend. That's good to know. Alright, so I got a total of 3 in there. And it's nice and sturdy. I'm gonna probably put another one over here in the corner just so I can have both corners. This one's gonna be probably a little harder to do because the way it broke. This one bent, it broke in such a weird spot. I paid $50 for this thing, and so far I think it is worth every penny because it is working wonders. With these, I don't think I need to use the mesh. The mesh is more for if you're doing like body repair on like a bumper or something, and you want it nice and smooth so you can, you know, Bondo and repaint and stuff. But for this, I mean, as long as it holds up, probably sand it down a little bit, throw some gray paint or some primer or some black paint on it, and it should be good as new. That seems to be really sturdy. I'll grab the other one. Comparison. I mean, that seems to be moving. Maybe a little more play in it. But like I said, once I throw the 2-part epoxy on it and glue it the rest of the way, we should be good. Okay, so I don't have any epoxy with me. Apparently I ran out. All I have is silicone, and silicone is not going to help. So once you cut the tabs, the little overhang pieces, make sure you wear safety glasses or something, because those things fly everywhere. It's brittle metal, so it just shoots time as you clip it off. But this is the end result minus the epoxy. I mean, it's nice and tight. I mean, so I love it. Best $50 I ever spent, and it saves me from buying a whole nother set of JDM headlights. But yeah, next videos will probably be out. This one's gonna come today. Today's Wednesday, so I'll post this later today. But next video is gonna be probably trying to clear up these headlights a little bit, along with the scuffs on the taillights. I finally have electric in my building. We put that in Sunday, so I got a nice little electrical box outside now, so I can do all my stuff outside. Main thing was for the welder, so I can finish the engine bay of the Del Sol. But I now have full electric outside. Thanks to David for supplying a lot of the wire, and for Alan to coming out and installing it for me. Thank you guys. Appreciate it, really do. But yeah, other than that, I'll go back to work Sunday. So I got 5 days left, 3 days left, 3 days left. Yeah, 3 days left before I go back to work. So yeah, I'll try and do 1 or 2 more videos before then. So see you guys in the next one.
The more you think, the deeper you should dive in. No judgment here.